clip is a base version, and I explained all the details fully in it, in case you are new to Chatgpt. This is the prompt we'll use to start. The prompt turns our photo into a soccer poster. In your Chatgpt, tap the cross, then tap the photos, and on the screen that comes, choose the photo that you want, then press that tick. Now in here, you need to add your prompt. You can take a screenshot of the prompt here, or you can pick it up from end of the clip. Just easily pause the clip and take a screenshot. Very easy. You go to where you got your prompt, tap that button, then tap the copy all, back to your Chatgpt, paste the prompt, and now you got the prompt. Here, if you need to customize the prompt, you will do customize it. Then you tap that generate button, then it starts and you wait. Prompts are like a spicy seasoning for your photos. A little bit and suddenly everything tastes so much better. You know where to find the recipe, right? So go cook it up and come back to tell me how happy you are with your result. Actually, don't just tell me. Show me with the emojis. Drop it in the comments. Because whether you are 25 or 75, flying solo or building a family, you deserve photos that actually look like you at your best. Confident, glowing, maybe a bit fun. Exactly how you want to be seen. And honestly, the difference one good prompt makes will surprise you. And you can surprise your friends and family with your new photos. Now, let's see that result we've all been waiting for. Voila! Now it is ready. You just tap on the picture. Now, simply tap that right part, image is saved. As you can see, it has been created according to what we have requested. And if you are happy, you want to share it with someone, simply go to that share button. Then you can share it on your socials or with your contacts. This was a step-by-step guide. Hope you liked it. If you ever need help, come back to this video and check it out. Same process, just different prompts.
Yay! Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe!